How to access Cisco Webex for Android. How to access Cisco Webex on Android device. Step 1. Install Google Play Store on device. Watch the video below for instructions. If Google Play is already installed, proceed to step 2.
The same. First, head to Settings, click Security, and enable unknown sources. You will get a message warning you about the dangers of installing apps outside of Google Play, but you'll be fine as long as you use a trusted site like apkmirror.com. This is a site from the guys behind the blog Android Police, and they check each app to make sure it's safe. On APK Mirror, search for the Google Play Store. Make sure to select the most recent version and click Download. I will also have a link to it in my story over at cnet.com. Once it has been downloaded to your phone, open the file either through the notification menu or the Downloads folder and install it. It's as easy as that. You can now install your favorite apps right from the Google Play Store.
How to access Cisco Webex on Android device. Step 2. Access Google Play Store on device and search Cisco Webex Meetings and download. How to access Cisco Webex on Android device. Step 3. Join Webex meetings via link, QR code, or phone. The link is listed, the QR code is located to the right, and the phone number is also listed with access code and password.
If you already have the Webex Meetings app installed, tapping the link will open the app and take you directly into your meeting. You can also join meetings through the app itself in other convenient ways. On the Webex Meetings app homepage, you can join a meeting by tapping the Join Meeting button, and then
These are the following references that you can utilize to further access Webex video information on Android.